What's up? Look at this pretty cool thermometer thermostat. It's a nice thermostat. See, no one ever popped this out because weird things not working. And then I'm going to take it off the wall. Just like pull it off. It's just those hinges there and just 2 screws. But this one, kind of easy to come out. At that. Then at that, you got the fingers back there. You got some extra ones there, and there's never there before. With the subbies, you got the terminals. It's missing terminals because I have them at home. Then you got cool. Heavy, got steel fan here. Yeah, emergency heat. Those indicators like. One is auxiliary, one is emergency heat. It's 2 auxiliary. Look at this on top of the thermostat. The emergency heat auxiliary. I love this one because T874. See right there. Made from the 70s or the 80s or the 90s. Those you never see this before. You may go look on eBay and buy yourself one because. Tell yourself. Go on eBay, find one of this. You might find one. You type heat pump thermostat Honeywell T74. You might find one of this. Thank you.